Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing lamb chops. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Right here to you who are always coming back. You know who you are. You are my MVP. Without you, there'd be no Melda 242, or there'd be no new subscribers. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. To my viewers, you're watching, but you haven't decided to subscribe as yet. What are you waiting on? Subscription is free. Go ahead and subscribe today. Be sure to hit the notification bell now so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Be sure that you select all. God bless you and continue watching. Doing it, family. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.